Get ready, you'll hear the K5LA. He's getting ready to move. This one's king of 2. Second loudest. Be careful, this one will get you. Off guard, be careful. Now 80-45 will lead it in. Told ya. 5 gets this thing back to the yard. 15. 2. 10. 8,000s are returned to the yard. That's what we call these coaches. We just call it by the number series for safety.
We don't want to be on camera.
What?
We don't want to be on camera.
Yeah, that K5LA would get you.
We don't want to be on camera.
I was pointing to the train, not you.